Very good morning to all of you, my dear children. In today's topic, we are going to learn about gender. Okay, so we all of us know what is a noun is. So what are nouns? Come on, tell me. What are nouns?
Naming words.
Okay, naming words. It names what?
Words.
Names a person, Yes. So noun means the noun, the chapter is
Person,
place.
place,
We have already
thing, animal.
yes, person, place, animal, or things.
Thing.
So these four are called as the naming words. Okay, person, place, animals, and things. Okay, so these are the naming words. Naming words are called as nouns. So all okay. So in this category, you can see that person is a living being, animals and birds are living beings. So all living beings are of masculine gender or feminine gender. Clear to all of you? Okay. Now, can you tell me something? All the masculine gender, raise your hands. Let me see who's raising there. All the masculine gender, raise your hands. Yes, Ayan. Very good. Some of you, they doesn't know what is masculine gender is. Nazia, are you the masculine gender? Huh? Who are the masculine gender here? Come on, tell me. Come on, tell me who are the masculine gender here. Come on. Boys, very good. Boys are the masculine gender. So I've told the masculine gender to raise your hands. Come on, masculine gender, raise your hands. I am not the masculine gender. So all the masculine gender, raise your hands. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Okay, now, okay, hands down, masculine gender. All the feminine gender, raise your hands. Feminine gender. Feminine gender means what? Girls are all feminine gender. Okay, so all living beings. Living means what? Who are the living beings here? We are living. Okay, the people, animals, and birds are all living beings. Okay, they can be categorized into masculine gender and feminine gender. Okay, now boy, father, uncle, son, all are all masculine gender. Girl, mother, grandmother, aunt are all feminine gender. Okay, so let's move on to the topic. So all of you, please open to page number 28.
31.
Page number 28. Are you all ready? Worksheet 12.
Worksheet 12.
Yes, worksheet 12. Okay. Now let's learn what are, yes. So the naming words can be either masculine gender or feminine gender. Okay, the naming words in the sense it can be either masculine gender, all living beings. Okay, not only the nouns, all living beings are of masculine gender or feminine gender. Clear to all of you? All living beings are of masculine gender or feminine gender. Masculine gender means now listen. All of you either look into the book or look into the slide. Keep your pencils down. Don't touch the screen. Okay. Listen. So masculine gender are used for men, boys, and male animals. Okay. All male human beings and male animals, okay, are all masculine gender. Is that clear to all of you? Yes. Okay. So men, boys, and male animals are of masculine gender. Women, girls, and female animals are of feminine gender. Have you understood? So have you understood what is the masculine gender is? Masculine gender means men, boys, father, and male animals are of masculine gender. Okay, male. And feminine gender means women, girls, aunt, grandmother, and female animals are of feminine gender. So all living beings are of either masculine gender or feminine gender. Okay. Now, all of you look at this picture. All of you look at this picture. So you can see the male gender here. So king, boy, and father are male genders here. They are called as the masculine gender. Clear to all of you? They are called as the masculine gender. First, let us know what is masculine gender is. Okay, now the female gender, you can see here, queen, girl, mother are of female gender and they are the feminine gender. Clear to all of you? So all the male genders, what they are called? Come on, tell me. They are called by the name?
King, boy,
Listen to the question. When I tell you, ask you to repeat it. Listen, my question is, for the male gender, what do we say? Your answer should be the masculine gender, nothing else. Okay. And for the female gender, it is feminine gender. Is that clear? So all these are the examples of male gender and these are the examples of feminine gender. So for the male gender, we call it as masculine gender, and for the female gender, we call it as the feminine gender. That's why I showed you the picture. When I show you the picture, it will be clearer for you. When I tell you something, you will not understand. So all of you look at the picture very clearly. Nothing is there given in your workbook. Only some few words. By looking at the words, we have to know what it is. So first, all of you look at the slide very carefully. Don't scribble on it. Okay. So all of you, please do listen. When I ask you to repeat, you have to repeat after me. Okay. Otherwise, listen very carefully. Okay. Now listen. So all the male genders, you can see the picture here. King is a male gender, boy is a male gender, father is a male gender. For the male gender, what do we call? We call them as the masculine gender. Come on, say it. All of you. Have I not muted you? Unmuted you? Yes, come on, tell me. They're called as the masculine gender. Okay. For the female gender, that is queen, girl, and mother. What do we call them as?
Feminine gender.
Understood? So have you understood? There are two genders, all living beings, okay? Not only there are two genders are there, that we will be learning it later. Yes, but first let us be thorough with the two genders. All living beings are of masculine and the feminine gender. The male genders, that is the king, boy, and father, are male gender. They are called as the masculine gender. Okay, or else we can call them as he genders too. Okay, so all he genders or the male genders are called by masculine gender. Okay, feminine gender. All the female gender, or we can call it as she gender, they are called as the feminine gender. Clear to all of you? Now let's look at this boy is a masculine gender, and what is the opposite gender for the boy? It is girl is the feminine gender. Okay, let's move from the. Okay, now all of you look here. Prince is a masculine gender. And what is the feminine gender for prince? Princess. Say it again. Prince, it is princess. Come on, say it. Princess. Okay, prince, princess. Okay, for bull. What is the feminine gender for bull? Cow. Bull, it is cow. Okay. For bull, it is cow. The feminine gender is cow. Okay. Now, and it is gander. Goose. Gander is a masculine gender and goose is a feminine gender. Gander, goose. We have heard the story of the goose that laid a golden egg. Have you heard the story of a goose who laid the golden egg? Okay,
Yes.
so there you learned it.
No.
Goose. Okay, if you've not learned, is okay. It looks like almost a duck, but it is not a duck. Okay, so the male gender is gander, that is Gander, gander, and the feminine gender is, that is the feminine gender, it is goose. Okay, have you understood? Look at the picture, all of you. So it looks like this. Okay, so gander, it is goose. Okay.
Goose.
A father, mother, and daughter. Okay, now all of you look here. Brother,
Sister.
brother,
Sister.
sister, brother.
Sister.
Okay. Who is this? Is mother? Mother means what?
Girl. Boy.
Son, boy, or son, daughter. Okay, son, daughter. Okay. So mother is, yes. It is son is a masculine gender and daughter is a feminine gender. Okay. Clear to all of you? Yes. Who are they? Come on, tell me. Yes, grandmother and grandfather. Okay, grandmother, grandfather.
Grandfather.
Okay, who are they? Come on, tell me. Lady.
Lee and gentlemen.
Okay, lady.
Lady and gentleman.
Lady, gentleman. Okay, so lady is a feminine gender, gentleman is a masculine gender. Okay, this is, I'm just showing you only what is there in your work. You need to know all these are the general things you have to know it. Okay, lady, gentleman, all easier ones. Okay, now uncle, come on, tell me.
Auntie.
Aunt. Okay, uncle, aunt. Yes, uncle, aunt. Can you tell me who are they?
Bride.
Yes, very good.
Bridegroom.
Bridegroom. Very good. Bride and bridegroom. Very good. You easily identified it. Yes, very good, very good. So bride, bridegroom. For the girl, we say it is bride. And for the masculine gender, we do say it has bridegroom. Is that clear to all of you? Yes, very good. Yes. Now, come on. This is very, very important. Nephew, niece. So we all of us have. Okay, 1 minute. I have to explain to you who are nephew and niece. Okay, for your auntie or uncle, you are not the son or the daughter. You are nephew and niece. For your father and mother, I showed you the picture. You are the son or the daughter. Have you seen the picture of the father and the mother?
Yes.
Have you seen the picture of father and mother? Yes. So mother is son, daughter. But for your auntie or aunt, you are not the son or the daughter. You are the nephew and niece. For the masculine gender, we call it as you are the nephew. For your aunt, you are, if it's a masculine gender, you are nephew. And if you are a feminine gender, it is niece. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. So come on, say nephew,
Niece.
nephew.
Niece.
Okay, all these are the general things, children. Come on, tell me why I showed you this picture for you. Who's the hero here?
Boy.
Okay, Pranav is the hero. And what's the name is? I forgot. Heroine. Heroine. Okay, in a film, when we go for a film, we look for the hero. Who's the hero of the film? Is it your favorite hero or heroine? Only then we will go for a movie. Okay. So here, Pranav is the hero. And what's the name is Priyadarshini? It's not Priyadarshini, no. Kalyani, no? Her name is? Okay. So heroine. Okay. Okay. Now here, lion. What is the female gender, feminine gender of lion? Lioness. Lion, lioness. When you look at the picture, it stays in your mind. Okay. Lion, lioness. Now,
Lion.
bull as well as
Ox.
now you wanted to listen one thing. So ox and bull, okay, they are the masculine gender. For both the masculine gender, only one feminine gender is there, that is cow. Even for ox, we call it as cow. Ox is a masculine gender. Okay, bull is also a masculine gender, but ox and bull looks a little bit different. Okay, so this is a ox, and I've showed you the picture of a bull before. Haven't I showed you the picture of a bull? Yes. Yes, this is bull. For bull, the feminine gender is cow, and even for the ox, the feminine gender is cow. This is just an information, children. These are the basic things, you have to know it. Okay. Now, peacock. What is the feminine gender for peacock? Come on, tell me. What's the feminine gender for peacock?
Pigeon.
Hen. Okay. So when you look at the picture, what is the difference here? Here, peacock has feathers, okay? But peahen doesn't have feathers. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes. You know this bird? You can see at home. What are these? Yes, this is a cock and hen. This is cock and hen. Cock is a masculine gender and hen is a feminine gender. Okay. But when you look at the picture, you will understand. Very good. Okay. Okay. So have you understood the masculine and the feminine gender? Yes. Very well. Yes. Yes. So we have learned about the masculine common gender and the neuter gender. We will learn it in the next class. First, let us be thorough with the masculine and the feminine gender first. So let us hear a few more pictures are there. Okay, let's see these two. Prince. What's the feminine gender for prince? It is princess.
Princess.
Husband. Wife. Husband. Wife. Okay, brother. Mother. Horse. Horse is a masculine gender and the feminine gender for horse it is mare. Mare is a feminine gender. Mare. All of you look at the picture. Who's that? Okay. Peacock and peahen, I've already showed you the picture. Now, grandfather, grandmother, bridegroom and bride, I showed you the picture of them. Then, yes, king, queen. Okay, king is a masculine gender and queen is a feminine gender.
Queen.
Waiter, waitress. Okay, waiter is a masculine gender. Waitress is a feminine gender. Okay. Okay, now let's move on to the exercise. Now we have learned a few. Okay, we have learned a few genders.
Page number.
Page number is 28. Come on, take page number 28. Yes, all of you mute your audio. Some of you are singing, some of you are. Yes. Okay. Now, all of you, please do take your. Okay. Now let's move on to all of you. Please do take page number 28. All of you, please do take page number 28. Yes. So this is a page, you have it in front of you. So what we have to do is we have to write it. Give the feminine gender of. Now, come on. Are you all ready with your pencils?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Man. What's the feminine gender for man?
Woman.
Woman. Very good. Come on, write. W. You have to write the correct spelling. W-O-M-A-N. Woman. Come on, write. W-O-M-A-N. Woman. Okay. W-O-M-A-N. Woman.
Prince.
Prince. It is princess. Yes, very good. Princess. Just now we saw the picture. Prince. It is princess. What's the spelling of princess? P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S. Yes, come on, write it, princess. Come on, write it, all of you. Please do write it. Finish.
Yes, I'm finished. Already finished. Lioness.
Wait. All are very eagerly. If you have finished, let me move on to the next page. Can I?
Finish.
Finish?
Finish.
Okay. So all of you please do
Finished.
take this page. All of you please do take this page, all of you.
Okay.
Oh, yes. Please do take-
Lioness.
Wait. Don't be in a hurry. Let's do that. Okay. Now here, children, some number errors are there. So let's do that correction. Okay.
Lioness.
So here it is 3, my dear children. It is not 2 again. 1 and 2 is already over. Now, the next page, all of you, please do take page number 29. And the lion, the number is, please do change the number there. It is 3. Okay, it is 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Lion. What's the feminine gender for lion? Lioness. N-E-S-S. Okay, write the correct spelling. Lioness. L-I-O-N-E-S-S. Lioness. Okay. L-I-O-N-E-S-S. Lioness. Okay. Now the next one, it is tiger. What's the feminine gender for tiger? Tigress. The spelling you should be very clear. Tie. Tie. Here it is G-E-R. But when you write the tigress, so R should come first. It is tigress. It is G-R-E-S-S. Okay, write the correct spelling. G-R-E-S-S. Write the correct spelling, my dear children.
For the T.
G-R. See here, T-I-G-R-E-S-S. Tigress. Come on.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Write it.
Good.
Don't be in a hurry. Let everybody write.
Completed.
Let us wait for everyone.
All are completed.
Others, why is that you're talking, my dear children? Please don't talk. Okay. Yes. Now let's move on to the next word. What is the next word is? It is God. God, it is goddess. Goddess. So God, G should be written in capital letter, and all the other words you can write it in small letters itself. It is just maybe a printing mistake. Only the God should be written in capital letter. All the rest of the words you can just write it in small letters itself. Okay. So God. So G-O. G-O. 1 minute. I'm just G-O. Here only 1 D is there. So when you write goddess, 2 D should be there. 2 D. Okay. 2 D should be there. E-S-S. Okay. Goddess. Come on, write. G-O-D-D-E-S-S. Goddess. Come on, write.
Finish.
Okay.
Finish.
Others, please.
Others, please.
Some of you are talking in between.
Antonio.
It's okay. It's okay. Please do complete your work, my dear. Who's that? Who's that? Children, please do mute your audios. It's recorded. Your session has been recorded. Please do aware of it. All are looking at you. Why is it you're making unnecessary noise? If you're finished, just stay quiet there. Wait for the others also to finish. Okay, now let's move on to the next word. That is, the next word is host. So come on, tell me what's the answer for what's the feminine gender for host?
Hostess.
Yes, it is hostess. So Hostess, hostess.
Ma'am.
Yes. Come on, write fast.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. LJODD.
It is not L, my dear children. Okay, I'll write it in the previous way itself for you. It is not L. It is first you have to write lioness. Okay. I think so. You can't understand my handwriting. Tigress. Tigress. I write the G also in the same way. Goddess. Goddess. Okay. Now hostess. 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 Okay. Now let's move on to the next word. That is emperor. So it is similar like the tigress. Emperor is also is empress. 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 Come on, write it. The spelling should be very clear. Okay. So similarly like the tigress, empress.
Impress.
Okay, empress. So here emperor is there, but here empress. AM, the way you pronounce it is empress. Emperor. And for the female, that is for the feminine gender, we do say it is empress. Okay, the feminine gender.
Next.
Finish.
Emperor. The hotel.
Okay, monk. What's the feminine gender for monk?
None.
None. Okay, monk, it is none. You know the meaning of monk and nun?
None.
Nun means what?
None.
Nun means sisters. Sisters are called as nun. Monk means the person who doesn't marry. That's a masculine gender is called as a...
completed.
Okay. So monk is a masculine gender and nun is a feminine gender who doesn't marry. Okay. They are called as monk and nun.
Ma'am,
Finish. Finish.
Yes. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. Poet. Come on, tell me. What's the feminine gender of poetess? Poetess.
Poem.
Poetess. Poetess. Come on, write. You're making such a lot of noise. I'm going to mute you all. Okay. Write it. Write it. While you're writing, you're making lots of disturbance during the session. As you write it quietly, children. Okay. Now let's move on to the next word, my dear children. That is author. What's the feminine gender for author? It is authoress. Authoress. So A-U, come on, write it. A-U-T-H, authoress. Authoress.
Completed.
Wait.
Complete.
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 Complete. Complete.
Ma'am, I am first complete.
Completed.
Authoress.
Completed.
A-U-T-H-O-R-E-S. Write it properly,
First,
okay,
I am
children?
completed.
Poetess. It is T-H-O-R. T-H-O-R-E-S-S. Authoress. Okay, boy. What's the feminine gender for boy? And what is the feminine gender for son? Okay, come on, write it. Daughter. We have finished with this exercise. Now we have to learn the spelling, as well as we should be we have to by heart these. Okay, so for that we have to write and study. Okay, so I'll
Ma'am,
send you the
first I am
notes.
completed.
Now it's time for us to wind up, my dear children. T-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, daughter. Okay. Okay, so you have to write and study these words. I'll send a note. Okay, let's wind up, my dear children. Yes? So it's time for us to wind up, my dear children. Thank you all for joining. Bye-bye, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, my dear children. Thank you.
Bye bye.